Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the World of JG. Yeah, this is my logo. Are you thinking where should you visit with your family and friends on a weekend? If yes, please explore this place, which is a scenic place and one-day picnic spot too. Recently, my parents found a place, Surya Shibir. It is 20 years old. Let's see what is there in the Surya Shibir. I also don't know. Let's go. We also took a halt on Khadakwasla Dam and ate Maggie and bhajis. There's so many activities here. For example, artificial waterfall, swimming pool, zip line, rain dance, climbing, barrier crossing, rappelling, cable car, indoor games. There are a lot of wooden sit-outs where you can chit-chat and chill with your family or friends. This place is fully covered with greenery and nature. You know what is the USP of this Shibir? It's the bird park. Yes, you heard it right. The bird park. Come on, let's see the bird park. Come. There are a lot of colorful and different birds. Best part is you can feed them. You can touch them. Initially, I was very scared to touch the birds, but afterwards, I touched them with my free hand. I was touching them with my mom's jacket. Please note, the bird park time is only 3 to 5. So, please do hurry and make the birds sit on your hand or shoulders.
What are you going to do here?
I'm going to do zip line.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you scared?
No.
Not at all? Okay, all the best.
Take lots of pictures with your families and have fun. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, The World of JG. We'll meet in my next video. Bye bye.